Making a web series is always challenging because it gives you the latitude to develop all characters, all incidents, all drama and make it engaging.
For me to play the negative character in it was like I really enjoyed every moment because I could enjoy being bad.
Ashram was a well-developed story brought to me by the platform MX Player.
I was happily surprised to see that it dealt with the whole point of view of the common innocent people who get trapped.
हमारे देश में लोग विश्वास करना शुरू करते हैं तो बाढ़ से आ जाते हैं।
तक बर्बाद होते रहोगे, जीते जी स्वर्ग में जीने का मौका मिल रहा है।
मैं आप सबको मोक्ष की राह पर लेके जाऊंगा। जपनाम, जपनाम, जपनाम।
There are criminals and con men around us and how people get power hungry.
And because the darkness inside, I didn't want that to be reflected on the face. And Bobby fitted the bill very well.
I was like, for a few seconds I was a little surprised, but at the same time very excited because
इस तरह का शेड उन्होंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था और उनके अंदर एक चार्म है, उनकी एक पर्सनैलिटी है, रॉयल जो एक बाबा जी के लिए चाहिए था, रॉयल्टी जो होती है एक इंसान के अंदर, वो उनके अंदर है।
We needed a fresh kind of look, we needed fresh kind of presence and we worked on it. I think the costume director, Bobby himself, me, the makeup people, the dialogue and action person.
बॉबी भाई की एक कमाल की इमेज है, वो एक स्टार हैं बहुत बड़े।
I think we will be shocked to see what Mr. Bobby Deol has done to the role of Baba Nirala in this.
he told me one thing about the character, that it is someone who has such an aura of his appearance and the way he talks that he doesn't have to try really hard to convince people. He has to be very collected, very job. I think everybody put their heart and soul in it. You could just feel it when you were performing with my co-actors. I mean, there was Chandan, who was always with me. He was Opa Swami. Then with Sachin, who was the minister I interacted a lot with. Then
one thing which Mr. Jha also told me to bring in his character, which I tried, which people have liked, who's
Tushar, who played Sati, and then there was Aditi, who was Pammi, Tridha.
I had to maintain the calm, like there's turbulence inside the girl, but then she can't show it. So that's a point which I had to be very careful with. That the chirpy Tridha.
एक बार जो आश्रम आ गया ना, तो U-turn तो ना आए कोई.
It's just very lucky that I got a chance to work with him after 25 years.
Many parallel plot lines happening. It is his experience, it is his wisdom, it is his intelligence and creativity.
In a very real space scenario, so the whole of India kind of roots for him.
I'm into social service. I'm acting. Obviously, I'm acting and thinking about my character. But also in between shots, when I had time, I used to watch him how he designed his shots, because he's an editor, he's an actor, he's a writer, he's a director, he's a producer.
He sort of agreed to choreograph the wrestling sequence, and he trained the wrestlers, the female wrestlers who are involved.
And yet get up early in the morning and have the energy to work out. That was awesome.
Sangram Singh was at Tamil Academy, and we got everything that we needed for that. Summer scenes that they had to take off their warm clothes during evenings and nights. It was especially. We just were caught in the middle of bitter winter.
Everyone has put in so much effort in season 1 that we all are looking forward to be on set again for season 2. And I'm sure it's going to be amazing. It's going to have some twist and...
Ashram is what Ashram toiled and put in their best.
In a country full of fake godmen, we are.
The drama even more engaging and all the characters.